Alright you guys, so for anyone who doesn't know where I am in London, Embankment, Ducati London, Oxford.
Cheers bro. Thank you. Right, let's see what they got. V2. It's good news. Oh boy.
Hi guys.
How you doing? You alright? Yeah, just come to check out some bikes. There's a new one there. That's it there. It looks good. In person? It does. Hey, how you going, You good?
Yeah, man.
See you, man. Yeah, all good.
You
Pop
good?
by in, yeah. Bring my bike. He's after a bike.
How you going, alright?
Right.
I knew you shouldn't have.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, remember last week? What? 2 weeks ago, I spoke to you. You said it's gonna come in October.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I had to check it out because I told you I was after one. I just need to decide whether it's this or I wait for the other one. But it's bloody good in person
I don't know
now.
when they're doing SP and an R and all that stuff. But
Oh, it looks good though, man. Jeez. Do you know what? In person, it does look a lot better. You know? That doesn't look as bad in person as the pictures at all, actually.
yeah, it looked better.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
What? Like that. And he's after a V2 actually. Brought a customer.
Panigale?
Yeah.
New or used?
Depends on the mileage. If you can get something pretty low.
Ducati London, David Hales, the guy, the deal maker, we hit that spot and what did we do? We had to compare bikes. We found a V2, not a Baylis, black one, had 1 mile, 1 owner, and an Acra exhaust system, quick release tank and a few other goodies, but the main thing it did not have was the suspension, only in suspension. So Ducati London, we showed David the bike, he did his magic, worked the deal, matched it, beat it by a lot. I'm not going to give the full details, but yeah, he knows how to get the bikes for a good price for us. So anyway, if you want a bike, go to him in Ducati London.
Yeah, noise limits. What's it up?
With that exhaust to get it. I know.
How bad is it in person? Is it quite loud?
It's loud. Nice.
But that one, is it? I think it's just the
Slip-ons.
It's not the full.
Even the silencers are still, they need a map and yeah, they're still. Yeah. So they've got some nice bits on. So they've got the tank pads, they've got the folding levers.
It's got the quick release.
Yeah,
fuel
fuel tank cap. Got some nice bits. So they've obviously spec'd up one owner.
That's what I said to him. I said, it's either someone cancelled it because someone inspected the bike clearly. It's been registered as well.
Yeah, they must.
And they must have cancelled it because there's most people wouldn't really spec it like that. So someone definitely did that, especially with those levers.
It's got the Ducati tail tidy, which ain't really a tail tidy.
Yeah, we'll swap that out.
Change that. I mean, that's 18.5. To be fair though, I could do you a new Baylis.
Are you serious?
What's that?
It's got the nice livery on it. So
This is the Baylis here with the 21.
oh, there we go. Yeah. Do you know, I love that livery as well.
So this,
Yeah, but yeah.
So this has Olin suspension, better grips, the carbon over the exhaust, the single seat unit, the stitching on the seat, the number on the headstock is a numbered bike. Yeah, black wheels, all that sort of stuff. It's designed to be like a V2S. Do you know how
It's a
the
couple
V4 has
extras.
like a V4S with Olin
Yeah.
suspension and stuff. This is the closest you would get to like a V2S.
Right.
Have a look at
The
that,
main
bro.
thing is the paint job isn't for everyone's taste, but
Oh yeah, you like the black there. He does like the black bike.
I mean, yeah, that's the same money, brand new, better suspension. Or a used one instead.
How much is usually that suspension as an extra? Is it like what is on mine? A couple grand, isn't it?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's front and rear shock. It's
Yeah.
it's not cheap.
Full thing.
It's not a cheap change. So that I can do for the same money as that one, as it is. Well, I've got that one, which I could probably spec up the same sort of thing. I've got no black ones. So if you're desperate for a black one, I ain't gonna help. I can't, because they're not making them. Right, I can't even order it.
Right.
Okay, fair play.
So it's that or a red one now.
So how much miles on that? Oh, that's 1 owner, 1 mile.
1 mile, yeah.
Okay, fair
Yeah.
play.
And
What
that's
this-
done 900 miles. We've done the servicing on it.
Yeah?
Everything like that. It's ready to go.
Okay, cool. And then this one you can do for the same as the black.
I can do that.
This is brand new, not registered.
Brand new one registered 0 miles. Yeah.
Okay. Would you say have a look around?
Yeah.
I say absorb it, ask any questions you need.
There's one on here if you want to see what it's like upright sort of thing. Because I've got a brand new one there, and then I've got, that's our demo. So if you wanted a cheaper Baylis, I can see what price our demo is.
Oh,
Jump on that because that'll feel what it's like.
have a
when you
check on
actually
it.
sat
Have a check on that.
miles.
260. That's not a lot at all.
260 miles and it's 17 and a half.
That's not bad. Yeah, that do 260, 17 and a half.
Yeah, so 260 miles.
260 miles,
17 and a half. Right?
For a Baylis.
So it's
What?
It's cheaper than that one. Or a brand new one, I'm registered. Yeah.
So a brand new unregistered one for, yeah.
So grand more actually.
does it make a lot of difference, the suspension?
You notice it like around town, but as soon as you ride it properly, yeah.
Yeah, you
It's
do.
nice.
From sport to race, you feel a big difference.
You get a bit more feedback, you get a bit more confidence in the corners. You can adjust it more as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can really hone it to how you like it. But even just out the box stock, it's way better. How you went? Yeah. So yes, it is a significant upgrade over the standard bike. And you're probably looking at, all jokes aside, just fit it all, change it over and stuff. It's about £4 to try and fit that suspension. It's not cheap stuff.
What do you think is going to hold value better?
Baylis,
The black one or the Baylis?
Baylis, to be fair.
Yeah?
Yeah, all this. Although they started it off as a numbered edition like 2 years ago,
Yeah.
the numbers are quite high, but people like them.
Yeah, I love the livery on it.
Yeah.
Classic Italian.
It's kind of like the sort of old P4 Speciale. When
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah.
Seeing those colours. It's designed to look like Troy Baylis' old race bike because he won like 3 championships.
Yeah.
So that one, they're folded. So if you were, unfortunately, if you dropped it,
Oh, so it does.
the idea is that they fold up and
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
snap. But I
It's
mean,
got a little bit of venting on it.
Yeah.
That's
you
it.
know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, it's even with those, it's fixable. You know what I mean? It's fun.
Yeah, that's a minor.
And for the exhaust, how much does it cost?
Some pounds.
Can you get hold of those though, right?
Hey?
Can you get hold of the exhaust?
Yeah. We can
Yeah?
do the exhaust, yeah.
So at the minute, David is actually checking the prices for us on the exhaust. So a full Acra exhaust system with the Sprint air filter and the remap, which is key for this bike. So we're seeing what it comes to. Yeah, loud pipes save lives.
When Lewis hears about this, he's gonna be like, Xavi again,
What have you done?
making everyone keep buying. Every time I see you guys
Bad
bike shopping.
insurance.
Right, Clapham. Straight down, yeah. We go around and then straight down. So through the bridge and then to the right. I think to Clapham.
No, do we take right again? No, I think we take through.
We go straight.
Yeah,
Yeah, so when we come out under the bridge,
right.
follow it and straight down. Yeah, that's it, yeah. That's it. We'll check it on the maps.
I'm gonna.
So we're gonna go straight down there.
Yeah.
Man, what a good day!
Huh?
New bike, what a good day!
I don't think I've realized what I've done
You just bought one of these!
until I ride it, until I come up with it. I'm gonna be like,
It's not gonna sink in yet. Yeah. Well, let it sink in. You. Oh my days! I had something filmed as well. I was filming.
yeah.
So So nothing there. So yeah, man. Congrats though. Oh, bro. Yeah, so down and then to the left. So you guys, there you have it. My boy just brought himself a new Ducati V2 Baylis edition. Big special day for him. He's waiting ages to get this bike. Today he finally pulled the trigger, so fantastic stuff. Absolutely fantastic stuff. So we're now gonna go to Infinity Motorcycles. He needs a new balaclava, so we're gonna buy one of those, as you do. And yes, thank you for tuning back in, people. Welcome back to the channel. This is a random vid. This was actually an impulsive purchase. We love that. That's the best way to do it. Because it doesn't hit you until you pick the bike up. But hey, anyway, I'll pull some of the road for you guys to see what's going on. And that is it. And then we move. What is this? Just stay dry though, please. Stay dry. Straight down, yeah. Got a bit of a theatrical going on. A bit of theatre from their fellow biker. I think it's asking where you're riding. Blue Red Bull. Man, confused still. Boy. Nah. This